Good morning, students. 11th standard business maths, third chapter, analytical geometry, exercise 3.6, fourth sum. Find the coordinates of the focus, vertex, equation of the directrix, axis, and the length of the lattice rectum of the parabola. First one is given y square equal to 20x. Parabola is four types. We know that. Open rightward. The first one is open rightward. It is y square equal to 4ax is the formula. Open rightward. Then focus is f of a comma 0. F of a comma 0. L dash is a lattice rectum. It's passing through focus. L dash is a lattice rectum. Its length is 4a. Vertex v of 0 comma 0 is the vertex. Directrix open rightward, then its opposite side is left side is what directrix. It is x equal to minus a is the formula. It is called directrix. Next open leftward. The focus is f of minus a comma 0. Minus a comma 0. Its lattice rectum is the same length L dash 4a. Vertex v of 0 comma 0 is the vertex. Directrix x equal to a. It's the right side. Next another one is open upward. Parabola open upward. It is the equation is x square equal to 4ay is the formula. X square equal to 4ay. Its focus is f of 0 comma b. F of 0 comma b is a focus, or 0 comma a. Anyone we should take a or b. 0 comma a. Next lattice rectum. Directrix is vertex is a v of 0 comma 0. Directrix here y equal to minus a. Y equal to minus a. There is a x equal to minus a, x equal to a. Here y equal to minus a is the directrix. Lattice rectum L dash is 4a. Next open downward is a parabola. Focus f of 0 comma minus a. 0 comma minus a. Lattice rectum L dash L 4a length. Directrix y equal to a is the directrix. Vertex v of 0 comma 0. These are four types is parabola. So here given y square equal to 20x. Y square equal to 20x. We should find out focus, vertex, equation of the directrix, axis, and the length of the lattice rectum. Axis. So we should find out the first one here given y square equal to 20x. We should change it is 4ax model. Y square equal to 4 into 5x. 4ax format. We should write compare this y square equal to 4ax, then 4a equal to a is what 4, a is what 5, y square is y square, x is x. So a equal to 5. First one focus we should find out. It is a open rightward. It's a parabola is what open rightward. Y square equal to 20x. Y square equal to 4ax form. So open rightward y square equal to 20x. Here focus is we know that f of formula is a comma 0, latus rectum L L dash, vertex v of 0 comma 0, directrix x equal to minus a is a directrix. First one, focus we should find out. Focus is a f of a comma 0. A is what is a 5. So f of 5 comma 0 is a focus. Next is a second, we should find out vertex. Vertex is a v of 0 comma 0 is a v of 0 comma 0 is a vertex. Next third is the equation of the directrix. Is equation of the directrix is what? X equal to minus a. X equal to minus a. A we know that what is a 5. So x equal to minus 5 is a directrix. Next we should take a left x plus 5 equal to 0. Next fourth is a axis. Axis is its a main axis is x axis. X axis, then what is y value is 0. Axis y equal to 0. On the x axis y value is 0. X axis, so y equal to 0. Next fifth is length of the latus rectum. Length of the latus rectum is 4a is the formula. That is equal to 4 into a value is what? 5. 4 into 5 equal to 4 5s are 20. That's all. Next sum is b x square equal to 8y. So it is in the format of x square equal to 4ay form. This is a x square equal to 4ay form. It is a open upward. X square equal to 4ay open upward. So this parabola is open upward. It's a focus f of 0 comma a. 0 comma a focus. Latus rectum L dash is 4a. Vertex b of 0 comma 0. Directrix y equal to minus a. Its major axis is y axis. Major axis is what? Y axis. This is the y axis, x axis. So we should find out first 4a, x square, y. So 4a equal to what is the 8? 4a equal to 8. Compare them. A equal to what is here? 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. It's 8 divided by 4 divide, then we get 2. Therefore a equal to 2 is the value. The first one we should find out focus. Focus is f of 0 comma a is the focus. So substitute this value f of 0 comma a value is what? 2. So f of 0 comma 2. The second is what is the vertex we should find out. Vertex is v of 0 comma 0. Vertex is what? V of 0 comma 0. Next, third, equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix is what is the equation of the directrix? Y equal to minus a. Y equal to minus a. This is the directrix. So y equal to minus a. So y equal to minus a. A values is what? 2. So minus 2. Minus 2 take left. Y plus 2 equal to 0 is the equation of the directrix. Next we should find out axis. Axis is a y-axis. Y-axis, what is our value? X value is 0. So x equal to 0. Y-axis. Next, fifth one. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum is 4a. 4 into a value is 2. 4 into 2 equal to 4 to the 8. That's all. Question number C. X square equal to minus 16y. So x square equal to minus 4ay form. So x square equal to minus 4ay, then it's this is a x square equal to minus 4ay. It's a open downward. The parabola is open downward. Focus f of 0 comma minus a. Lattice rectum L dash L. L dash is a 4a. Vertex V of 0 comma 0. Axis y axis. Directrix y equal to a is a directrix. So we should find out 4a. It's a value we should find out. Compare x square minus 4a equal to what is the 16. 4a equal to 16, y equal to y. So a equal to 16 divided by 4. A equal to 16 divided by 4, divide, then what is the 4? A value is 4. First one we should find out focus. Focus is f of 0 comma minus a. So f of 0 comma a value is 4. So minus 4. Focus. Next, second is vertex. Vertex is v of 0 comma 0. V of 0 comma 0 is vertex. Next, equation of the directrix. Third, equation of the directrix is, what is the equation of the directrix is y equal to a. Y equal to a. So y equal to a value is what? 4. You should take left, y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix. Next, fourth, axis. Axis is major axis is y axis. Y axis x value is 0. therefore x equal to 0. Next, fifth, length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum is 4a. It is equal to 4 into a value is 4. 4 4s are 16. That's all. Fifth sum, the average variable cost of a monthly output of X tons of a firm producing a variable metal is rupees 1 by 5 x square minus 6x plus 100. Show that the average variable cost curve is a parabola. Also find the output and the average cost at the vertex of the parabola. Let x and y be the output and average cost at the vertex. So y equal to 1 divided by 5 x square minus 6x plus 100. So we should multiply by 5. Then what is there? 5y equal to 5 cancel. 1 into x square is x square minus 6 5 is 30x plus 5 into 100 is 500. So we should take y terms and the constant term one side. We should take 5y minus 500 equal to x square minus 30x. Interchange these places. X square minus 30x equal to 5y minus 500. X square minus 30x, it is a square minus 2ab form. So 2ab equal to 30x. Then a is, we know that x, 2x into b equal to 30x. So x cancel. B equal to 30 divided by 2. B equal to 15. So 15 square, add both sides. So 15 square plus 15 square equal to 5y minus 500 plus 15 square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square form. A is x, b is 15. So a minus b whole square, x minus 15 whole square equal to 5y minus 500 plus 15 square is 225. So x minus 15 whole square equal to 5y minus 500 plus 225 is 275. Add then, it's a minus symbol, so subtract. Biggest number having the symbol is minus, so minus 275. So x minus 15 whole square equal to 5 is a common, we should take out y minus 5, we should take common, then we should divide by 5. 5 5 is a 25, remainder 2, 5 5 is a 25, so 55 times. 5 into 55 is 275. So it is, this format is x minus 15 whole square equal to 5 into y minus 55. This format is x square, capital X square is equal to 4a into capital Y, where 4a equal to what is 5, a equal to 5 by 4, x equal to x minus 15, x minus 15, y equal to capital Y equal to y minus 55. Thus the average variable cost curve is a parabola. So y x square equal to 4ay form, it is a parabola form with the vertex of 15, 55. So vertex is what? 15, 55. At the vertex of the parabola, the output is 15 tons. The first value is 15 tons, and the average cost is y value rupees 55. Rupees 55. That's all. Sixth sum, the profit rupees y accumulated in 1000 in x months is given by y equal to minus x square plus 10x minus 15. Find the best time to end the project. Solution: let y be the profit in x months. Profit in x months. Then given the question, given y equal to minus x square plus 10x minus 15. Y equal to constant, we should take left y plus 15 equal to minus x square plus 10x. Minus 15 we should take left plus 15. Interchange these places, or we should take the same y plus 15 equal to minus x square plus 10x. So this minus is a common, we should take out y plus 15 equal to minus is common x square minus 10x. So we should interchange these places. Minus x square minus 10x equal to y plus 15. Multiple by minus, then what is x square minus 10x equal to minus y minus 15. So this is a square minus 2ab form. So 2ab is we know that 2ab equal to 10x minus 2ab. So a is we know that x, so 2x into b equal to 10x. X cancel, b equal to 10 divided by 2 is b equal to 5. So 5 square you should add both sides. 5 square. So x square minus 10x plus 5 square equal to minus y minus 15 plus 5 square. So this is a square minus 2ab plus b square form, a minus b whole square. So a is what? X, b is what? 5, x minus 5 whole square equal to minus y minus 15, 5 square is 25. So x minus 5 whole square equal to minus y minus 15 plus 25 is plus 10. So x minus 5 whole square equal to minus is a common, take out y minus 10. Minus common, then y minus plus into minus is minus 10. So multiple, then minus y minus into minus plus 10. So this format is capital X square equal to minus y form, 4ay form. X square equal to minus 4ay form. Here 4a is 1. So we need a x value, x equal to where x equal to x minus 5, y equal to y minus 10. y equal to y minus 10. Vertex is 5 comma 10. 5 comma 10. Since x represents the month, the best time to end the project equal to 5 months. This is a month. X value is a month. We take x is a month. So x value is what is here? 5. So 5 months. That's all. Good morning students. 11th standard business maths. Chapter number 4, trigonometry. Some important ratios are, we know that sin theta equal to 1 divided by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to 1 divided by sin theta. Next show, cos theta equal to 1 divided by secant theta. Secant theta equal to 1 divided by cos theta. It's a reciprocal. Next, tan theta equal to 1 divided by cot theta. Cot theta equal to 1 divided by tan theta. So these are very important. It's a reciprocal. Sin theta is a reciprocal is what? 1 by cosecant theta. Like this. We should take it. Next, we should take the quadrants, x-axis, y-axis. First 90 degrees first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is third quadrant. This is a fourth quadrant. This is a 0 to 90 degrees. This is 90 degree, 0 to 90 degree, and 180 degree, and 270. Next is what? 360. Complete this one circle is called 360 degree. So first quadrant, all the values are the ratio, all the values are positive. The second quadrant, secant, sin and cosecant are positive. Sin and cosecant values are positive. The third quadrant, tan and cot values are positive. Others are what? Negative here. Here secant and cosecant positive. Other values ratios are what? Negative here. Next, cos and secant values are positive. Other ratios are what? Negative. This quadrant, fourth quadrant. So we should take a sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Next show, tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Next show, secant 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. Cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Here the total is what? 360 degree. This is a 360 degree. So 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So we should substitute these values. See some tables. Some values are given. So all silver tea cup we should take it. The negative values or positive values. All values are positive in the ratio, trigonometry ratio. Here silver means sine and it's reciprocal cosecant. Cosecant is positive. Other ratios are what? Negative. All silver. Next is a T. In the short form we should take it. T means tan and cot value. It's a reciprocal value. Cot values are positive. Other values are what? Negative in the third quadrant. Next, fourth quadrant, cos and secant value, that is the all silver tea cup we should take, is easy form. So cos and secant values are positive, other ratios are negative. Exercise 4.1. First sum, convert the following degree measure into radian measure. So degree, convert the radian. So first one is 60 degree is given. 60 degree. We should convert it's a radian. 60 into pi divided by 180. We should degree. We should change it is a radian means we should multiply by pi divided by 180 radians. Radian equal to 1010 cancel 6 and 18 3 times. So pi by 3 radian. Next second sum 150 degree. We should change it is a radian. 150 degree equal to 150 into pi divided by 180 radian. 1010 cancel 3 table 5 times here 6 times so that is equal to 5 pi divided by 6 radian. Next third one 240 degree. 240 degree equal to 240 into pi divided by 180 degree radian. So 1010 cancel 3 table 8 times 8 3s are 24. 3 table 6 times 6 3s are 18. Again 2 table 4 times 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. So that is equal to 4 into pi is 4 pi divided by 3 radian. Next fourth one minus 320 degree. Minus 320 degree into, so radian we should convert them into pi divided by 180 radian. 1010 cancel 8 2 table it's 16 times minus 16. This is 9 times that's all minus 16 into pi is minus 16 pi divided by 9 radian. That's all. Second sum, find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measures. So given radian measure, we should change it is a degree. The first one pi divided by 8. So we know that 60 degree, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So if you are given pi divided by 8 radian measure is given, we should change it is a degree. So pi divided by 8 into, we have to change the degree, then we should multiply by 180 divided by pi. Multiple, then we get it is a degree. Pi pi cancel, 8 4 table, 2 table, 8 and 180 we have to cancel 4 times here. 9 twos are 18, so 90. Again 2 table, 2 times here 45 degree, so 45 divided by 2 degree. It's we have to divide 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4. 22 degree. It's 22 point. Remainder is what? 1. So you take 1 0 there. 10 divided by 2. It's a 5 degree. So 22.5 degree. So 5 degree means 0.5 degree means it's a 1 by 2. That is we should take a 22 degree. It's a 5 degree. We should 0.5 degree is a 30 minute. Why? 1 degree equal to 60 minute. 0.5 degree equal to 30 minute. 30 minutes. So 22 degree, 30 minutes. 9 pi divided by 5. So we should change it is a radian. So we should change it is a degree. So degree then 9 pi divided by 5 into, we should multiply by 180 divided by pi. Then it's make a degree. So pi cancel. So 5 table, how many times 3 5s are 15. Remainder 3 30, 36 times. So 9 into 36 degree. So we should multiple then 9 into 360 is 36 is 9 into 36 is 324 degree. So multiple then 324 degree. Next minus 3 radians. Radians we should change it is a degree measure. So minus 3 into multiple by 180 degree divided by pi, then it's make a degree. So minus 3 into 180 degree divided by pi value is 22 divided by 7. We know that pi equal to 22 divided by 7 is value. It's a reciprocal. Minus 3 into 180 degree reciprocal then into 7 divided by 22. So we should multiple minus 3 into 180 degree into 7 is minus 3780 degree. Multiple then minus 3 into 180 into 7 is minus 3780 degree divided by 22. We should divide minus 3780 degree divided by 22 is minus 171.81 degree. So we should change it is degree. 0.81 degree is seconds. We should change that is equal to minus 171 degree. We should change it is 0.81 degree. 1 degree we know that 1 degree equal to 60 minute. So 60 minute we should multiple then, it's multiple then 48 minute. It's multiple then 48 minute. So minus 171 degree 48 minute is the answer. The fourth sum, 11 pi divided by 8. So it is a radian measure. We have to change it is a, what is a degree measure. We should change a degree measure. We should multiply by 180 degree divided by pi. We should multiple and pi cancel and multiply and divide, then we get it's a degree value. So this sum is a homework. Do it. Third sum, determine the quadrants in which the following degree lie. The first one we should take a x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. So this is a 0 to 90 is the first quadrant. 90 to 180 degree is the second quadrant. 180 to 270 degree is the third quadrant. 270 to 360 degree is the fourth quadrant. 360 also 0, coming 0 here. It's these are four quadrants. So it's rotated in a clockwise. This is a clockwise. So we should find out 360 degree which quadrant we should find out. So first one 380 degree. 380 degree which quadrant we should find out? 380 degree. The first one starting from 0 to 360 degree. 360 coming what is the 0 degree also. 360 is what is 0 degree. Next again starter we should write like this 360 degree plus 20 degree is what 20 degree is 380 degree. So it's a 360 one round completed. Next 20 degree. Which quadrant after 20 0 to 90 is what first quadrant. So 20 is this quadrant. So 20 degree. We should measure this 20 degree. Then this is the first quadrant. So 380 degree lies 380 degree lies in the first quadrant. -380 lies in the first quadrant. Minus 140 degree. Second is minus 140 degree. So we should take x-axis, y-axis, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So this is a negative, then it's opposite. It's starting from 0. Here opposite side. First one is 90 degree, and then 180 degree. So here negative, then it's like this 180 degree here. So 140 degree is this place minus 140 degree. Minus 140 degree. So we should write like this minus of 90 degree plus 50 is what 140 minus 140 degree. This opposite direction, anti-clockwise. We should rotate this degree. So 90 degree plus 50 degree is what 140 degree. So 90 degree up to this. Next is 50 degree. This is 50 degree. So minus 140 is this angle we should take. So minus 140 degree lies in the third quadrant. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. That's all. Third sum, 1195 degree. So this is the homework. We should do it. Fourth sum, find the values of each of the following trigonometric ratio. The first sum, sine 300. Sine 300. This value we should find out. We know that the values, some values are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. It's a theta. Sine theta. It's a sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 degree 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 divided by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Cos value, it's a reverse order. We should write 1. 30 degree is root 3 by 2. 45 degree is 1 by root 2. 60 degree is 1 by 2. 90 degree is 0. Next tan value is tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 1. Tan 60 degree root 3. Tan 90 degree is not defined. Cosecant value, cosecant 0 is not defined. Cosecant 30 2. Cosecant 45 root 2. Cosecant 60 2 by root 3. cosecant 90 is 1. Next secant 0 is 1, secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3, secant 45 degree is root 2, secant 60 degree is 2, secant 90 degree is not defined. Next cot value, cot 0 is not defined, cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 is 1 by root 3, cot 90 is 0. These are the values. Next we should find out quadrant x-axis, y-axis. It's the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. It's all is positive values. Sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. All the values are positive. Next S. S means the second quadrant, sign only the positive. Other values are negative. Next T. Here T means tan value only in the third quadrant, tan value only positive, other values are negative. C. The fourth quadrant, cos value only the positive, cos value and secant value. Here all the values are positive. Here S means sine and cosecant values are positive here, others are negative. T means tan and cot values are positive here, other ratios are negative. C means cos value and secant value is positive, other values are negative. We should take the short form is all silver tea cup. We should take all silver tea cup. So here sin 300. We should find out sin 300. We should write it sin. We should take x-axis, y-axis, all silver tea cup. So these ratios are positive. Here first one 300. 300 means we should write 270 plus 30 degree. 270 plus 30. So which quadrant? The first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So the 270 is first 90 first quadrant, 90 to 180 is second quadrant, 90 to 180, here 270. 180 to 270 is third quadrant. Next fourth quadrant is 270 to 360. So 270 after that 30 degree. Here after 30 degree, this is a fourth quadrant. So it is a cos value and secant value, it's a reciprocal value is a secant value. Cos and secant value is what? Positive here. So cos, sine is here given, sine 270 minus plus 30 degree, that is a cos. First one sine, then sine is what is this quadrant, fourth quadrant is a positive, it's a sine is negative, cos is positive, so sine is a negative, minus sin 270 plus 30 degrees, sin 270 plus 30 is sin 270 plus 30 degree equal to cos 30 degree is the formula. Sin 270 plus 30 is cos 30. So minus cos 30 degree. So minus cos 30 degree value is cos 30 is what? 30 degree is root 3 divided by 2. So minus root 3 divided by 2. So sin 300 value is minus root 3 divided by 2. The second cos minus 210 degree. So one of the formula is cos of minus theta equal to plus cos theta. Cos theta is an even function. So cos of minus theta equal to plus cos theta. Same like this we should write it cos 210 degree. Cos 210 is we should write the ratio 270 here given, 270 minus 60 we should write, 270 minus 60 then 210, or cos 180 plus 30 then we get what is here 210. So we should write it here cos 180 plus 30 degree is what 210 degree. So cos 180 after this is a third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan and cot only the positive. So cos value is what negative. So minus cos 180 plus theta. We know that cos 180 plus theta is the formula. That means 30 degree equal to cos 180 plus theta is cos theta. So cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree we should write minus cos 30 degree equal to minus cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is what we know that root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 is the value. Next secant 390. Third sum secant 390. So secant 390 we should write secant up to 360. One round is what 360. So secant 360 plus what is the 30 degree. This is in the first quadrant, 30 degree. 360 plus 30 is what 390. So this is the first quadrant. The first quadrant all the values are what positive. So secant also positive. Secant 360 plus theta is what secant theta. Secant 360 plus theta equal to secant theta. So secant 360 plus 30 degree is secant 30 degree equal to what is the secant 30 value? Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. So value is 2 divided by root 3. Fourth sum, tan minus 855 degree. So tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta is the formula. So that is equal to tan minus 855 degree is minus tan 855 degree. So that is equal to, we should write it's a x-axis, y-axis, or silver, tea, cup. So these are positive. So we should take 855 degree means first 360, one round completed. Next 360 is 360 plus 360 is 720. So after that 855, 135 up to this you should take minus tan 720 plus 135 degree. 720 plus 135. So two round completed, then it's what is we should take a minus 360 plus like this. So we should take a tan 720 plus 135 is tan theta. Tan 720 plus theta is tan theta. So minus tan 135 degree. Minus tan 135 degree. So minus tan 135 degree we should write minus tan 90 plus 90 degree plus 45 degree. We should write 90 plus 45. So 90 plus 45. After this is 90 degree plus 45 degree. Which quadrant here? This is a second quadrant. It's a sine and cosecant is positive. Sine and cosecant values is positive. So others are negative. So minus of tan 90 plus theta is cot theta. So minus cot 45 degree. Minus cot 45 degree. Minus into minus plus cot 45 degree. So cot 45 degree is what? Cot 45 is 1 is the value. So that is equal to 1. That's all.